This video will guide you through the installation of your new Simplyput Slide Out Basket. You will need these tools. First, make sure your package includes all these components. Now, place the frame into your cabinet at the desired location. Make sure the frame is positioned at least 1 3/4 inches from the front edge of your cabinet. Mark the 4 holes in the sliding system, then remove it from the cabinet. Next, using a 1/16 inch drill bit, drill 4 pilot holes on your marks. Attach the frame to the cabinet with the 4 screws provided. Now, place the basket on the frame with the bottom 2 horizontal wires at the back. Tip the basket up slightly and guide it into the frame. Lower the basket at this point, allowing the second horizontal bar to drop into the frame. Then slide the basket into the cabinet. Slide and close.